morning from Vegas. This is our second full day. I've just finished my other vlog because I was too tired to finish it last night. So this is the same. It's in the morning. What's the time? About 9:15. We've been up a few hours because obviously jet lag's still going on. But yeah, I pretty much told you in the last vlog what we're doing today, but just a little recap. Benjamin's downstairs on betting on the tables at the MGM now. While I'm getting myself ready, we're gonna pop out, go and have a look down the strip. We're playing Topgolf today. Benji's got his helicopter ride. We want to go and look at the bigger hotels like the Bellagio, New York. What's the other one? The Caesar's Palace, things like that. We're meeting my cousin to play Topgolf, so that'd be fun. It's a 5-tier experience. Like, I think the one at home that I've been to is just 2-tier. So we're going to do that today. And like I said before, we're just going to wing it. We've not been here. I don't know what to expect. You cannot, even the lady in the taxi said last night, you could come here for a month and not experience all the stuff. So I suppose you just have to do your priorities, which at the moment we have done so far. Yeah, so come along with us for your day, or for our day. See you later. I forgot to show you the thing that Benjamin got. I don't know if you can see it, from the Wynn yesterday with golf. So it's got Wynn Golf Club on it. So it's a nice little keepsake, and then it's got his name in, like, I presume this is like a tag for his golf bag. I'm not totally sure, so sorry if I got that wrong, but he's got his name on it. So I thought that was a really cool little keepsake with the picture, and it's got the Wynn in the background. He also got some golf balls. I think they were $10. They weren't expensive, I don't think. And where is it? And it's got, I don't know whether you can see that, but the Wynn on it there to take home, to keep. I didn't win anything on the slots, but I wanted to, I had 30p left in the machine. I wanted to cash out just to keep the little, like, vouchers you get. So that's from the MGM Grand, and that one's from the Venetian. I thought that'd be quite nice to, you know, just to take home with you. And let's just turn you around and just show you the view quickly. So over there you've got the New York. You've got the Excalibur there. I think you can kind of see the tips of the castle, the tops of the castle. Then Park MGM, you can see the Cosmopolitan, the Aria over there. So it's quite cool to wake up. Definitely, if you come to Vegas, definitely worth paying for a strip view, because this is amazing. And down the edge, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of like these places here. They've all got balconies. I think they're called loft apartments or loft something. And some people yesterday were having like a party, and they had like a DJ out on there, and they look quite cool. Imagine they come with an amazing price tag, but they do look quite cool. But I just thought I'd show you the view quickly now. These corridors go on and on and on. Artwork. When you come out of the lifts there, you have rooms here, 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 and here. So you can imagine you probably get really lost here. Airport, that's how close we are. That's the front of the MGM. Then there, the central bit of the casino, and then we're going this way, lobby and the underground and Ubers. You've got shops either side. As you can imagine, they come with a bigger price tag for a drink. Benji just bought a bottle of Coke. How much will it cost?
Just
under $7 for a bottle of Coke. We're just going to do a big loop around the casino floor. So be careful of copyright, so I can only put a little bit on. There's some little bar area there, some tables here. This is where David Copperfield is. Just
It's Central.
Pardon?
Might be up there. Central.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it might be.
Oh,
So there's the David Copperfield bit there. I need to go there at this soon, the MGM Rewards, to pick up my card so I can use it on the machines. Well, literally, I've not even walked around this bit yet. So MGM Express for drinks, for alcohol, cigars, and some snacks. Ah, looks like a shop.
It's a dance.
How is it? So again, you've got slots. Here. A sports bar or something like that, I don't know. Have you looked at that?
Yeah, I walked around.
There's a massive one in the Venetian. They had the Man United game on yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have these everywhere, these charging ports where if your phone goes dead like mine did yesterday. Some betting tables here. Oh, is he gonna have a go? Yeah, he is. I have not got a Scooby-Doo how to play this. Come back to you if he wins anything. Sports bar, MGM Tap Sports Bar there. Cirque du Soleil is as well, so you can scan there if you want some tickets. Let's have a look what upcoming events there is. Here. He's gone a different way. I wonder how long it takes him to realise. No, what's that? Tropicana's up there. Las Vegas Strip, restrooms, Topgolf. It's the other way, but we're going to go around to that after. You've got a bar here. A restaurant here. Just goes on and on and on. This is massive, this place. Some more slots, and that goes out onto the strip there. Instant relief. I think that's just 5 days. Is that what that is in there? Pizza here. Studio Tower. I'm not sure. I think this might go to other rooms. So I look just down here just in case. Pool tables here. So you've got the buffet just here. It's Monday to Thursday. So I don't think we'll get time to do it. There you're. Yeah, so we won't. Yeah, so we can't. We can do it, but not. Oh no, it says closed Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah. So again, you've obviously got more slots. We'll pick this up when we see something that you haven't seen. But we queued up on the MGM rewards desk and got our cards so we can start collecting points, get rewards, so that's quite good. You've got the Avenue Cafe, restaurant and bar here. What do you say?
Kid our coach is from...
To show you the... Yeah, oh my God, look at the queue. I'm going to show you the... So this is breakfast, 9 till 2. See if it'll come up with the menu again.
The person begins at 8:15.
Wok here, noodle bar. Just see if they've got they've obviously all got menus. Greek sneak, Mediterranean grill. think that's actually that bad. Crush, fine food, sorry, cocktails and cold beer. So this is to the studio towers, I presume are rooms, conference centre, Grand Garden Arena and KA Theatre and the pool. Mansion Casino in there. Wolfgang Park, which is a bar and grill. There's lots of different restaurants of all different price ranges, I think, by the look of it. Well, this definitely looks fancy. Let's just have a look at the menu. The lighting's not very good. Sorry if you can't see very much. We'll pause the screen if you want to see anything. It looks really nice in there though. There's where the Cirque du Soleil is. Cirque du Soleil shop for all your merch. Ticket office. It's quite good because this kind of goes around in a loop. So you can still get lost, believe me, but not as bad as some of them. You end up in different hotels that you started off in. Obviously slots here. Live games going on here. C7. Quite cool. Live betting going on there. The food court bit is, but yeah, I was looking for this yesterday, but it got completely lost. Standard, but I think we found it now. So we're going into the district, I think this is called. Let's turn you around, you can have a look. Tag watch shop there, or rocks it's called, but got tag watch. Oh, it smells really nice in here. That's the district. Not far there. Italian restaurant, let's just look at the menu. Just follow it round. See all people walking with their rings, so we're definitely going the right way to look at the pool. I bought mine from home, so I think they were mega expensive to buy from here, which you'd expect. See, pizza place here. Actually, is it? Oh yeah, pizza and some croissants for breakfast, I presume. Shop. Looks like it's got designer stuff in. Another restaurant here that looks quite fancy. Steak restaurant. Oh, cool. Found the food court. The comedy club there. There's lots of restaurants in here, which I suppose all of the casinos do have them. Yeah, so the food court. All the different, oh, you got Starbucks. I'm still on the hunt for one of them. Oh, they do have them, but they have Nevada on it. I'd like one with Las Vegas on it, but I don't think, maybe they just don't have them. Let's have a look. Yeah, so they're all... Maybe that's literally what they do. They do the tumblers like with Vegas on them. I'm going to have to get one of those. I just wasn't sure whether they're just out of stock in all the Starbucks. Pandora. The ladies' shop here. Looks quite fancy. Beauty shop. Something smells nice. Nectar Life, I'm not sure. Thank you. I think it looks like soaps, like bath bombs and cats and dogs there. Haagen-Dazs ice cream. Beauty Avenue, makeup, stuff like that. No, thank you. So you've got frozen yogurt and desserts, like an express place here. Oh, yeah, the monorail there. We're just going to look down. I think it's got the Friends experience here, if you love Friends. Sorry, down there is where the garden arena is. I think this is the way out to the pool, and then we'll come back in and see if there's anything we want to eat, or just have a look what restaurants they've got, at least. Yeah, the Friends experience is new, I think, here. Quicksilver shop. There's the box office for the Grand Arena. I know that they have lots of big events in here, like boxing and stuff like that, but I don't know what's on. I don't think there's anything off. I can imagine this hotel being mobbed when there's stuff on. Music Award, American Music Awards, I think they said on there. Neo and Acorn. Oh, cool. Cabana Grill straight on, and the conference centre, Topgolf, and the ballroom this way as well. So let's go and have a look. First time. Oh, it's a robot. Don't know what it's doing, whether it's cleaning.
Nice.
That's quite cool. At the MGM there. So we're going to go down the stairs. Actually, let's go and look around this way first, at the front. Looks sunnier out there today, hopefully, so maybe we might get in the pool, because the pool looks amazing. It's got a lazy river, so I really would like to get in there before. We've got one full day tomorrow. Then you've got the pool down there. You can't see that much, to be fair. We're going to have a little look down there anyway. There's the spa and salon. It's fancy. Right, let's go and have a walk down the escalators. It does look really nice. I'm quite looking forward to seeing this pool. I've seen it on vlogs, but I want to see it for myself. So, pool hours are 9 till 6, leisure reserve 10 till 5. I'll probably show you the pool when we actually come in the pool, because you have to go in for an entrance. So I'll take my camera when we go, but you've got a shop there. So we'll have a look at that tomorrow when we go to the pool. But it is actually really warm out here, so it's cool. Golf is just here. Oh, look at the pool.
Oh, sure. It's a lazy river.
I don't know. It's definitely here though. But I don't know. It's obviously around the other parks. It goes around quite a wide area, even. They've got cabanas at the back. That does look nice. And it is definitely hot enough to be out there today, I think. Well, just there, no one's in there. Really cool. Maybe it's probably a VIP area or something. They've got really comfy chairs. I was showing this time, but Benjamin just walked right in front of the... This might be where... It's a massive area. All right, through here to Topgolf. Waving. Oh, God. She walks around the outside of the pool. Just here. Let's go and have a look. Because I don't think they'll come to the hotel. Look, put him back. Oh, yeah. Yeah. See him in the river. Hey, now. So I think there's all some club party just through there, but I'll take my GoPro in when we go. And there's quite popular beach parties here. And there is Topgolf there. We're not going to go in there just yet because we'll go in there later. But I just thought I'd film the walk over. There's the conference centre. there. So we'll be going over there about midday. You get the monorail. This is a paid monorail. Buy your ticket, and then you can buy lots of different tickets. You can buy ones that are one ride, which is $6. 24 hours is $15. 2 days is $26. 3 days is $32. 4 days is $39. 5 days $47, and 7 days is $62. It's cashless, so you've got these machines just here, and then I have a map. Bear with me, I've got lots of stuff in my hands. So it shows you all the stops. If you do the My Vegas rewards, this just gave me buy one get one half price for us to go on the monorail. I'm just waiting for Benji to come back, and then we're going to make our way down to, there's a stop the lady said we can get off and walk to the Wynn, as this is the day he's checking in, so he just wants to go and put all his stuff over there. So next time you see us, we'll be on the monorail.
But we go through, I think.
Yeah. To go onto the monorail, so you scan the QR code like I just did. They can give you paper tickets, and walk down here. Scan that QR code if you want to have a look. Download the map before you come.
Do not go down the line. Should not be boarded. This is not what is. Especially in Paris, Las Vegas Station.
finally get it. All that it fought down. He's relentlessly on. To the spot, it's disaster. I'm so good.
Horseshoe and Paris Las Vegas Station. Our next stop is the closest station to the Bellagio and its iconic fountain show. Planet Hollywood, featuring the Miracle Mile shops, and Cosmopolitan, featuring Marquee Night and Day Club, the Eiffel Tower experience at Paris Hotel and Casino, and City Center, which includes our Resort Casino, the Topgolf Hotel and Spa, Waldorf Astoria, Pier Towers, and Crystal. The Las Vegas Monorail runs without anyone at the wheel. Now that's the best designated driver we can think of in a city where the party never ends.
Ну, я тебе хочу сказать, Оля, ну, тут меня в центре нет. Даже вот. Нет. Это не там. Там кто-то блин. Блин, вообще ничего нет.
Нас на сайте приедет даже.
Какой закон? Ну, какой сервис?
Oh, I see the cedar.
Now arriving at Horseshoe and Paris Las Vegas Station. Our next stop is also the closest station to Caesar's Palace, featuring the Forum Shops and the Coliseum Theater, the Cromwell Hotel, featuring the popular Dre's Day Club, nightclub, and after hours, access to the Link Entertainment District, and the Caesar's Forum Conference Center is available from the Flamingo Station, as well as Harris the Link Station. Here you'll find a unique array of shops, restaurants, and bars, plus Brooklyn Bowl and the High Roller, the world's largest observation wheel. Have fun, and remember to tell your friends about the Las Vegas Monorail. That is when they finally hail a cab and catch up with you.
Так, Патра, едем на это колесо. Сейчас захочет прямо в колесо.
Bingo Caesar's Palace Station.
Нет, я имею в виду от момента, в какой день я купил.
Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop northbound is Harris the Link Station. Our next stop is the closest station to the Link Entertainment District, where you'll find a unique array of shops, restaurants, and bars. Plus Brooklyn Bowl and the High Roller, the world's largest observation wheel. Our next stop is also the closest station to the Venetian Palazzo Hotels, where you'll find the Grand Canal shops, gondola rides, and the Venetian Expo, Wynn, and Encore Las Vegas, featuring the very popular nightclubs XS and Encore Beach Club, the Fashion Show Mall, the Mirage, and Treasure Island TI Hotel, now arriving at Harris the Link Station.
The Venetian. The outdoor gondolas at the Venetian. I did the indoor ones yesterday. Pretty impressive building. Island there. It's beautiful. Okay. Welcome to the Wynn. We've got to go, just go and check in. This is the restaurant. To show you, that doesn't show, I don't know the times or when it is, but there is a special show at the evening. It looks like something. It's beautiful in here. Let's go to. So we've just checked in, or Benji's just checked into the Wynn. So we just got the mission now of finding the lift to go to the room. He's living his best life. Right, we found the resort elevator.
In fact, the same as the MGM.
Oh, that's good then. Just got to scan. I'll just scan the card and then I'll turn this back on. It's the lift. Fancy this lift is. Oh my goodness. Trust him to pick the 60th floor. My ears have popped. Oh my god. Is that what? Wow. Sure you don't want to swap? I'll stay here, you stay back. Thanks, Sarah, for booking this for you. Right, I'm turning you off, and then I'm going to do a room tour. Right, so you walk in, and that's the doorbell I pressed. You've got massive mirrors here. Let's go into the bathroom. You have this massive shower. He's actually living his best life. Bath. 2 sinks with your towels. Underneath, you've got your hairdryer. Some products there, some other towels. Your makeup mirror. Got your dressing gowns here. Then you have your toilet separate. So coming out of the bathroom, you've got all these panels, I've got all the lights, and it works from an iPad that Benjamin's got in his hand. I've got a big wardrobe here. Ironing board, more pillows. Your laundry basket, safe. Stuff to put your luggage on. You then have things that he won't be touching. Nice bucket.
Oh, don't touch it.
Oh, there's glasses in there. You can touch the glasses. You've got your fridge here. Then you've got your 2 bottles of complimentary water here. USB-Cs there, telephone, speaker. Then you've got your flat screen TV. Good working space here. 2 queen size beds. You've also got your panel here as well. So then you've got your bedside table. I think that's your phone. Oh, okay, that's where the iPad goes. It controls all the lights. Telephone. go in there. And then you got, I can't remember what these called, like chaise longues, are they? Something called like that. And then the best bit about this room is, this is ridiculous. Like, come on. So there's the golf course that he played yesterday. So if we'd stayed in here the other day, I could have actually watched him play golf from here. And then in the corner, just there, is the sphere. That's going to look cool, lit up. Look at the view. And that's the encore just there. And you can see the pools down there. This is actually ridiculous. So I hope he has a nice night in this room. You just show them the iPad. There's the iPad. You can control anything on there.
What are you doing?
Your lights, temperature, obviously the curtains, your in-room dining, your television channels. Yep, so he's going to love staying here tonight. Caesar's Palace. I think it's having constructive work around the front. The main entrance for Caesar's Palace, and we're going in this way here.
Both and stuff.
Yeah. Well, that way? Check-in desks here. Just come out of Caesar's and there's Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't
Bellagio Casino. The slots.
But yeah, you don't consider that.
This is the lobby.
What are you doing there?
Theorie Martikel Park.
Stunning. As you can see, it's so busy here. But it's quite hard to film. I think they change this like all the time, depending on the seasons. Right, let's go back out onto the strip. It's really busy in here. Paris Hotel there, which we're going to look in either today or maybe later, or maybe tomorrow, only because we are absolutely knackered. We're going to make our way back to the hotel now. Make it back to the hotel now because Benji's got the helicopter ride later where we are actually knackered. This is a crazy place, and you don't think that the walking is so bad, but the hotels are so spread apart. Like, you think they look close, but obviously they're not. So we're going to walk back to the Wynn, chill out for an hour or so before this helicopter ride. So I'm going to get some food, something quickly on the way back, and then we'll go back there and we'll see you then. It's the Paris Hotel, which is also, I think there's a restaurant. Go underneath and check that. Let's see. It's really pretty at night.
Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love.
Featuring the popular Dre's Day Club, nightclub, and after hours, access to the Link Entertainment District is available from the Flamingo Station as well as Harris the Link Station. Here you'll find a unique array of shops, restaurants, and bars, plus Woodland Bowl and the High Roller, the world's largest observation wheel. Now arriving at Flamingo Caesars Palace Station.
Not sure when I last picked up the camera, but I'm pretty sure it was on the way home from the Wynn back to the MGM because Benji's staying there tonight. As a little treat, we had to book that room to be able to get him to play golf. Talk of the devil, the golf clubs are behind me. So even though we didn't play on the actual day he played golf, it just gave us the option to be able to book him in for his tea time, which was really good. So yesterday we kind of had a little mooch around the actual our hotel because we hadn't really had a look round. So I had a good look around there yesterday when I looked at the pool, all those sort of things, done a little bit of gambling. We met my cousin over at Topgolf and her husband. So we played that. That was really good fun. I believe they've got 5 tiers there and we were on the 3rd tier. Don't quote me on that. I just briefly read it on the way in. But it was really good. We went in the daytime because it was a lot cheaper than the nighttime. As you imagine, it's probably really cool at night because you can see the sphere in when you're playing golf, and it's obviously all lit up. But it was really I presume it'd probably be really busy. So we decided to go during the day, and it was quite quiet. We had some drinks, some food, and we played golf. So the Topgolf at home, you kind of get given like a crate of balls and you have your time allocation and off you go. But once your balls are gone, that's kind of the end of it. Whereas here, it's all part of the machine. So you just keep going till your time's up kind of thing. We had an hour and a half, which was perfect for 4 people. I suppose with only 2 of you, you probably only need an hour. It depends, you know, up to your personal preference. There was sport TVs everywhere, even at the end of where you hit the golf ball. There was all TV screens. You could be watching football, baseball, basketball, any kind of sport while you're playing your game, which was quite cool. Yeah, it was really good fun. So we did that, and as we came out from there, it was getting hot. So Rachel and Ben went to do what they were doing, and me and Ben decided we wanted to go and have a look at more of the hotels because we hadn't actually been down the strip. So we bought a monorail pass for 24 hours because all we really needed, and I used my rewards voucher to buy one. I think it was get one half price, which was, you know, every little bit of savings. So we got the monorail over to do that over there, and it was near the Wynn, so we were able to go in, check in, and drop his stuff off and so forth. So we went and looked in the Bellagio. We haven't looked at the fountains yet, which we want to do on an evening. We looked at Caesar's Palace. I found them, because they're so popular and everyone wants to go and see them, I found them very overwhelming. Obviously, the trick here is that you don't know where the exits are a lot of the time. So you're hunting around, but that's what they want you to do. They want you to obviously stay in there, gamble and spend your money in the casinos, which, you know, is perfectly fine. Our feet were killing us because we walked and walked and walked. Yeah, so we got to do that. Benjamin had his helicopter ride last night. It was really good. So I picked up a leaflet when I was there. So this is the company that we used. I didn't do it, but Benjamin couldn't take this camera because it had to be on a harness and like a lanyard kind of thing, not a harness, a lanyard. So he had his phone, they put it in a special case for him. It was like one of them waterproof cases. So sometimes in the footage that he took, it's a little bit blurry, but it's still really good nevertheless. We paid for the option of having the doors off, and he was at the front, and there was a gentleman that sat behind him. I paid $200 for that, and he said it was worth every penny. So he really, really loved that. Had great fun. We were so tired, literally falling asleep on our taxi back home. We went to the Wynn. He went off in there. I got the monorail back, picked up a couple of drinks from Walgreens on my way home, because in the hotel, I think we paid like $7 for a bottle of drink, but in Walgreens you can get it for cheaper, obviously. So we did that. So we're actually tired, really tired. Tomorrow is going to have a pool day, chill out, and we've got something else we were doing. But also I've got where we paid for the monorail as well. I've got the little prices here. I don't know, I think you can see that. Then also on the back, it's where they all stop. So I'm going to say goodnight. If you haven't already, give me a subscribe to follow along the rest of our journeys, because we'll be moving on really soon. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.